So I just want to show you guys this wheel here and what happens when you have too much side loading for too long. The plastic inside melts and it just disintegrates. So this wheel, the outside part, will last forever, a very, very long time. And here, so look at this one. This is what it looks like right before it goes. There's free play in there. Come over to this side with more light. So keep an eye on your wheels. You see that gap? There's a gap down there. And that's because I'm going not full drift for too long. Like you're kind of feathering the drift bar, and it just wears this plastic out. And after a while, I think the hole just gets so big that so much friction builds up and it just starts to melt. And so ironically, the rollerblade wheels might actually hold up better because the whole hub, I think, is metal, whereas this is plastic. So a long-term solution for these would be to find something of this shape and durian quality, but a metal inside. So I don't know if that's possible or if it exists, but I just wanted to show you guys what to watch out for. I think these have lasted me months still, but I've been recently riding over really heavy bumps, really wrecking this thing pretty hard. So, man, see the bearings just falling here. The bearings just fell right out. That's how loose it is in here. The bearings are fine. They're good. They don't feel rocky or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And if anyone knows of a fix, let me know.